Weightlifting is more than just lifting heavy weights. It's a transformative journey that shapes both the body and mind. To embark on this path of muscle building and toning, start by understanding the fundamental principles of strength training. Engaging in resistance exercises stimulates muscle fibers, prompting them to repair and grow stronger, leading to that desired toned appearance. This beginning is crucial, as it sets the foundation for your future achievements in the gym. When initiating a weightlifting regimen, it's essential to incorporate a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups. Compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses form the cornerstone of a solid routine. These exercises engage multiple joints and muscles, leading to greater strength development and increased caloric burn. Additionally, including isolation exercises like bicep curls or tricep extensions helps refine specific areas, enhancing your overall physique. Balancing these elements ensures a holistic approach to muscle building and toning. Progressive overload is another key aspect of effective weightlifting. This principle encourages athletes to gradually increase the weights they lift over time. By consistently challenging your muscles, you stimulate further growth and avoid plateaus. Track your progress meticulously, whether that's lifting heavier weights or completing more reps moreover. Proper form is paramount. Lifting with incorrect technique can lead to injury and hinder your gains. Take the time to learn and practice correct movements, considering seeking assistance from a professional if necessary. Incorporating weightlifting into your routine also requires attention to recovery and nutrition. Allow your muscles adequate rest between workouts, as this is when they repair and grow. Consider designing a schedule that allows each muscle group to recover adequately. Additionally, fueling your body with the right nutrients supports your efforts in the gym. Prioritize protein-rich foods to aid muscle repair, and embrace a balanced diet that includes healthy fats and carbohydrates. Lastly, the mental aspect of weightlifting must not be overlooked. Approach each session with a mindset geared toward growth and resilience. Celebrate your achievements, both big and small, and remember that consistency is key. With time, dedication, and the right strategies, weightlifting will not only enhance your aesthetic appearance, but will also elevate your physical and mental well-being. Embrace the journey and witness the transformation unfold. Weightlifting is a powerful tool for anyone looking to build muscle and tone their physique. At its core, lifting weights involves overcoming resistance to stimulate muscle growth and improve overall strength. When you enter the gym, the sight of heavy bars and shining dumbbells can be intimidating. But every successful lifter started where you are now, taking that first step towards fitness. To begin your weightlifting journey effectively, it's important to establish a solid foundation. Start with a balanced routine that includes compound movements, which engage multiple muscle groups at once. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses not only help in building muscle but also enhance functional strength, allowing you to perform daily tasks with more ease. As you progress, gradually increase the weight and challenge your muscles further, always prioritizing proper form to prevent injuries. Consistency is key when it comes to weightlifting. Aim to train at least 3 to 4 times a week, focusing on different muscle groups to allow for adequate recovery. For instance, dedicate one day to upper body workouts while another focuses on the lower body. Creating a balanced split routine promotes muscle growth and gives your body time to adapt and strengthen. Additionally, track your progress. Noting the weights lifted and reps achieved will motivate you and provide insights into your strength development. Nutrition plays an equally vital role in muscle building. Pairing your weightlifting routine with a diet rich in protein helps repair and grow muscle tissue post-workout. Lean meats, legumes, and dairy sources are fantastic options. Alongside protein, ensure you're consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods to support overall health and energy levels. Staying hydrated is essential. Water aids in muscle recovery and enhances performance. Finally, listen to your body. Rest and recovery are integral components of any successful weightlifting program. Incorporate rest days to allow muscles to repair and grow stronger. This is when the magic truly happens. By respecting your body's limits and giving it the care it deserves, you create a sustainable path to not only muscle building and toning, but overall wellness. Embrace the weights and the journey for what it is. Weightlifting is not just about aesthetics, but also about building resilience, confidence, and a healthier lifestyle. With commitment and the right approach, the strength you seek is within your grasp. Now step into that weight room and unleash your potential.